Are you terrified of the unknown? These are the sky trumpets, terrifying low wails recorded across continents. Listen up. Reports started popping up years ago. Low, brassy moans, trumpet-like blasts recorded at night, recorded in cities, recorded on farms, recorded by the sea. Scientists say some clips match mechanical sources or atmospheric sources, while others resist explanation. The audio travels weirdly in recordings, sometimes a distant hum, sometimes a booming fanfare that makes windows vibrate. Conspiracy channels blame secret weapons or UFOs. Skeptics point to industrial compressors, seismic activity, even duct resonance. What's agreed? The sounds are real, baffling, and global, from Europe to the Americas to Asia. So, are we hearing science malfunction or something stranger? Smash follow, and I'll drop the creepiest clips next, if you dare.